Thick polymer block setup and showing you how to attach it to a diffuser here. So first thing you're going to want to do is cut open your polymer block. You're going to have two ropes here. Take that out of there. Now on this end, you're going to want to cut off this loop. You want to thread that through your float here. And it's simple as just tying a few granny knots just to keep that float from coming off this line here. I usually go about 3 and call it good. Cut off the excess. Should be good on there. Same thing on this side. I usually just end up cutting off this loop. Now when you hook your diffuser in the pond, you want to try and get this cable here that comes on the diffuser, just so you take all the stress, off of this, the check valve there and all the plastic pieces, just so you don't break anything. So I usually try and tie this diffuser and tie the block to the diffuser and leave about 4 to 6 inches. You're going to go on your cable here, and just like before, simple as just a couple granny knots just to secure it. Don't have to get anything too crazy, like so. Let's go 2 just to make sure. Get that on there. Should sit like that, and the purpose of this float here is just to keep this polymer block up and down, and keep it centered over your your air column here, and that air will slowly dissolve this block, and you will just end up with this blue casing here, and there'll be like a internal rope skeleton like this, and that's when your polymer block is all dissolved. So yeah, that's the basic setup of a polymer block on a 12-inch diffuser.